Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2015 Ford Fusion SE. Coming in this nice blue color, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get this vehicle equipped with a nice backup camera. We do have nice window deflectors as well, heated door mirrors with turn light indicators. And moving to the front, we have a nice block heater right there, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the trunk, we do get quite a bit of storage, and of course you do get more with your spare tire as well, and you can collapse that row if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side, in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space. You got fans as well as a 12 volt. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see here we do have powered seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, as well as your lights just on your left hand side here. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 120,643 kilometers. We do have a nice leather up steering wheel. You got your toggle for your screen right there. Phone, playback, play forward, volume, mute, and voice. Cruise control here, and your toggle for your screen right here, which you can then go through. Trip 1 and 2. Come on. Oop, my bad. Fuel economy, driving assist, and settings. Looking over here, you have your gear shift with your speed adjusters, parking brake, cup holders, nice leather up center console with plenty of storage with another USB and aux. We got a 12 volt up here as well with tons of storage. Heated front seats plus your climate controls right there. CD, volume, tune, playback, play forward, phone, nice little keypad, CD, music, radio, all the usual. Your hazards are just right there, and you do get storage in your glove compartment as well. And looking at your screen here, you do have your CD, no CD in there, music, so you can adjust your music, radio, Sirius, your media, so you do get Bluetooth capabilities. You can adjust your clock, phone, and menu. And with playing with this, you can go through all your settings, camera settings for your backup camera, which is pretty handy, and your menu, so all your menu settings as well. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7661B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.